Billahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Manzoor Ahmad Khan, teacher UPS Hayatpura, District of Kwara, Zone Sagam. Class 7th, subject General Science, date is 22nd of April 2021, Thursday. Dear students, our today's topic is nutrition in animals. We know what is nutrition. As I have already told you in previous chapter when we study nutrition in plants, what is nutrition? Nutrition is process of taking and consuming food for various life activities. Nutrition in animals is altogether different from plants, and as plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But animals cannot. Animals get food from plants either directly or by eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Recall that all organisms, including humans, require food for growth, repair, and functioning of the body. Animal nutrition includes nutrients requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. You have studied in class 7th that food consists of many components. Try to recall and list them below. The components such as carbohydrates are complex substances. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such, so they are broken down into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex food components of food into similar substances is called digestion. Different ways of taking food. The mode of taking food into the body varies in different organisms. Bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar of plants. Infants of humans and many other animals feed on mother's milk. Snakes like the python swallow the animals they prey upon. Some aquatic animals filter tiny food particles floating nearby and feed upon them. So far as this nutrition is concerned, it is of two types. As far as animals are concerned, main two kinds of nutrition. Dear students, we have autotrophic mode of nutrition. And second, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Auto means self. Hetero means different. यानी जो पौधे हैं वो अपना गुज़ा खुद तैयार करते हैं by the process of photosynthesis. फोटोसिंथेसिस एक अमल है जो पौधों में होती है. इसमें पौधे अपना गुज़ा खुद तैयार करते हैं by the process with the help of sunlight. और जहाँ तक हेटेरोट्रॉफिक ये जो process of taking food by these green plants by the process of this photosynthesis, this is called these green plants are called autotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Similarly, the organisms who are depend on other plants or animals directly or indirectly for their food are called heterotrophic, heterotrophs. These animals are called heterotrophs, heterotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. It happens in case of animals and some non-living plants. Heterotrophic nutrition is of further many types: parasites, saprophytes, symbiosis, etc. Thank you.